Wars are decided by reach, not distance. Australia sits between major powers where control of air and sea defines outcomes. This video documents every aircraft in the Royal Australian Air Force, from fighters and surveillance systems to transport, tankers, and unmanned platforms. We begin with combat aircraft. Lockheed Martin F-35A Lightning II. This is a fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter built in the United States, designed for air superiority and precision strike missions. It combines low observable design with sensor fusion, allowing pilots to track and engage multiple targets while remaining difficult to detect. Boeing F/A-18F Super Hornet. This is a twin-engine multi-role fighter also built in the United States, operating alongside the F-35A as a versatile strike platform. It carries a wide range of weapons, conducts air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, and remains a reliable backbone of Australian combat aviation. Next up is Airborne Command and Electronic Warfare. Boeing E-7A Wedgetail. This is an airborne early warning and control aircraft built on the Boeing 737 platform, equipped with a multi-role electronically scanned array radar. It tracks airborne and maritime targets over long distances while directing friendly aircraft in complex, large-scale operations. Boeing EA-18G Growler. This is a specialized electronic warfare aircraft derived from the Super Hornet, designed to disrupt enemy radar and communications. It carries jamming pods and anti-radiation missiles, allowing it to suppress air defenses and create access for other aircraft during contested missions. Gulfstream G550 MC-55. This is a signals intelligence and electronic surveillance aircraft modified for intelligence-gathering roles. It collects, analyzes, and relays electronic emissions across the battlefield, providing commanders with real-time situational awareness and targeting data without entering hostile engagement zones. Moving on to Maritime Patrol and ISR, Boeing P-8A Poseidon. This is a long-range maritime patrol aircraft built on the Boeing 737 platform, designed for anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare. It carries torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, and advanced sensors, allowing it to detect, track, and engage threats across vast ocean areas. MQ-4C Triton. This is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft developed for persistent maritime surveillance. It operates at extreme altitudes for over 24 hours, using advanced radar and sensors to monitor wide ocean regions continuously while supporting manned platforms like the P-8A. Next is Strategic and Tactical Airlift, Boeing C-17A Globemaster III. This is a heavy strategic airlifter built in the United States, designed to transport troops, vehicles, and oversized cargo across intercontinental distances. It can operate from short and semi-prepared runways, giving Australia the ability to deploy forces rapidly across the Indo-Pacific. Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules. This is a tactical airlift aircraft used for medium-range transport missions, capable of operating from austere airfields. It supports troop movement, cargo delivery, and humanitarian operations, with upgraded avionics and engines improving efficiency and reliability over earlier variants. Alenia C-27J Spartan. This is a light tactical transport aircraft designed for short takeoff and landing operations in remote or constrained environments. It fills the gap between heavy and medium airlifters, delivering personnel and equipment into areas where larger aircraft cannot safely operate. Boeing 737-7DT-BBJ. This is a VIP and government transport aircraft based on the Boeing 737 platform, configured for long-range travel and secure communications. It supports senior leadership mobility, ensuring continuity of command and rapid movement of officials across global distances when required. Now this is aerial refueling and force projection. Airbus A330 MRTT KC-30A. This is a multi-role tanker transport aircraft designed for aerial refueling and strategic lift, extending the operational range of fighters and support aircraft. It can refuel multiple aircraft types midair while simultaneously carrying passengers or cargo across long distances. Moving on to training aircraft. BAE Systems Hawk 127. This is an advanced jet trainer built in the United Kingdom, used to prepare pilots for fast jet operations. It simulates combat scenarios, weapons delivery, and tactical flying, creating a transition step between basic training and frontline fighter aircraft. Pilatus PC-21. This is a turboprop trainer designed to replicate jet-like performance at lower operating cost, forming the foundation of pilot training. It introduces advanced avionics, high maneuverability, and mission simulation, allowing pilots to develop core skills before progressing to faster aircraft. Beechcraft King Air KA-350. This is a multi-engine training and utility aircraft used for pilot development and light transport roles. It supports navigation training, surveillance tasks, and personnel movement, providing flexibility while maintaining lower operational demands compared to larger platforms. Next up is unmanned and next-generation systems. MQ-28A Ghost Bat. This is an Australian-developed unmanned combat aircraft designed to operate alongside crewed fighters as a loyal wingman. It extends sensor range, carries additional payloads, and performs high-risk missions while remaining networked with manned aircraft during coordinated operations. MQ-4C Triton. This is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned platform focused on persistent surveillance across maritime regions. It operates independently or alongside crewed aircraft, maintaining continuous coverage over vast distances and feeding real-time intelligence into Australia's wider air and naval operations network. Boeing P-8A Poseidon. This is the same Maritime Patrol aircraft operating within a broader unmanned network, sharing sensor data with platforms like Triton. It acts as both a strike asset and an intelligence node, integrating surveillance, targeting, and communication across multiple domains in real time. Finally, Special Mission and Executive Transport, Dassault Falcon 7X. This is a long-range business jet configured for VIP and government transport, built in France. It provides secure, rapid global mobility for senior officials, with extended range and advanced avionics allowing non-stop intercontinental travel when required. Beechcraft King Air KA-350. This is a modified variant of the King Air used for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance missions. It carries specialized sensors and communication systems, allowing it to collect battlefield data and support operations without requiring larger, more complex aircraft.